Modern Real Estate Practice, page 187. Math Concepts. Calculating sales price, commission, and net to seller. When a property sells, the sales price equals 100% of the money being transferred. If a broker is to receive a 5% commission, 95% will remain for the seller's other expenses and equity. To calculate a commission using a sales price of $325,000 and a commission rate of 5%, multiply the sales price by the commission rate. $325,000 is the sales price multiplied by 5% equals, here's how you do it on your calculator. You put $325,000 multiply 0.05. That equals $16,250 commission. To calculate a sales price using a commission of $16,250 and a commission rate of 6%, divide the commission by the commission rate. So you take the $16,250 we just came up with and you divide it by 6%. On your calculator, it's going to look like this. $16,250 divided by 0.06 equals $270,833 sales price. To calculate a commission rate using a commission of $8,200 and a sales price of $164,000, divide the commission by the sales price. So you're going to take $8,200. You're going to divide it by $164,000. That equals 0.05 or 5% commission rate. To calculate the net to the seller using a sales price of $125,000 and a commission rate of 4%, multiply the sales price by 100% minus the commission rate. $125,000 multiplied by 100% minus 4% equals $125,000 multiplied by 96% equals $125,000 multiplied by 0.96 equals $120,000. The same result can be achieved by calculating the commission. $125,000 multiplied by 0.04 equals $5,000 and deducting it from the sales price. $125,000 minus $5,000 equals $120,000. However, this involves unnecessary extra calculations. Here's the formula. Commission divided by whatever the sales price multiplied by the commission rate. Real property and personal property. Any personal property that will be included in the sale of the real estate must be explicitly identified. Items of real property that the seller expects to remove at the time of the sale must be specified as well. Some items that may later become points of negotiation might include major appliances, swimming pool and spa equipment, fireplace accessories, storage sheds, window treatments, stacked firewood, and stored heating oil. Leased equipment. It must be determined if leased equipment, security system, cable television boxes, water softener, special antenna will be left with the property. If so, the seller is responsible for notifying the equipment's lessor of the change of property ownership. Proposed dates for closing and buyer's possession. These dates should be based on an anticipated closing date. The listing agreement should allow adequate time for the paperwork involved, including the buyer's qualification for any financing and the move-in date to be arranged by the seller and the buyer. A short sale means that the lien holders must approve the transaction, possibly at several stages, which will add at least several months to the closing process. Closing. An attorney, title company, or escrow company should be considered and retained as soon as possible and may be required by state law. A designated party will be needed to complete the paperwork, disperse the funds, and file the proper forms, such as documents to be recorded and documents to be sent to the IRS. End of page.